Ito po yung DTF namin dito sa Tugigaraw na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 56. Ito naman po yung printer head. Ito naman po yung capping. Head clean. Nozzle check. Punasan ang wiper after head clean and nozzle check. Dito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste tank na lininis noong Friday. Ito naman yung AVR na may 220 volt and ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng use, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, and white. Ito naman sa powder. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist.